Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable local pickup in Shopify checkout. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to give your customers the option to collect their orders directly from your store, saving on shipping costs and offering more convenience. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify dashboard where you'll manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your store, from payments to shipping to customer notifications. In the Settings menu, again on the left side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how you handle order fulfillment, including shipping rates, zones, and pickup options. Now scroll through the page until you find the section labeled Pickup in Store. Next to it, you'll see a button that says Setup. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll configure the local pickup feature for your customers. After clicking Setup, you'll be prompted to choose your shop location. Click on your store's physical location from the list. Once selected, you'll notice a toggle button appear on the screen. Click this toggle to enable the pickup option. Activating this allows customers to select local pickup as a delivery method during checkout. Next, you'll need to set an expected pickup time. This helps manage customer expectations about when their order will be ready. You can choose from several options, including usually ready in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours, 2 to 4 days, or 5+ days. Select the time frame that works best for your store's operations and order processing speed. Below that, you'll see a field where you can input ready for pickup notifications. This is the message your customers will receive once their order is prepared and available for collection. Make sure to write something clear and friendly so customers know exactly when and where to pick up their items. Once you've configured everything to your liking, look at the top of the page and click the Save button. This finalizes all your settings and activates local pickup for your Shopify checkout. And that's it. You've successfully enabled local pickup in your Shopify store, giving your customers a flexible and convenient way to receive their orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.